the rotation of the earth. We know that the earth rotates on an axis. Now that axis is along here, and it's not actually there. Scientists have worked out that the earth is actually spinning around an imaginary axis, and that imaginary axis is like this line down through the centre of the earth. That axis is approximately 23 degrees away from the vertical line, 23 degrees. And as the earth spins every day, that causes day and night. Because as the earth spins, we rotate into and then out of the sun's light. How long is one day? Now you should already know how long one day is, of course. In one of the last slides we said it was 24 hours. How long is 1 year? 1 year is the length of time it takes for the earth to make one complete orbit around the sun. And that takes 365 and a quarter days. The earth spins on its axis, which is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. And it also orbits the sun at the same time. Now it's because the earth is spinning on its axis, which gives us day and night. Because it is tilted on its axis, this gives us the seasons as it orbits around the sun. So day and night is caused by the earth's spin, and the seasons are caused by two things: the tilt of the earth and its orbit around the sun. So this diagram shows us how we have day and night. We are tilted, there we are, at 23.5 degrees. And you can see Ireland there, or maybe you can't, but it's fairly small here. And we are about 55 degrees north of the equator. So as the earth is tilted and it rotates on its own axis, what actually happens to us is that we rotate into the sun's light, and the sun's light is shown in this diagram coming from the right. And then whenever we get round to the other side, we rotate out of the sun's light. Now, it's very, very important that you realise, if you're asked to shade in day and night, that you only shade half of the earth. But it isn't along the axis, because that would mean that light, because light travels in straight lines, light is going to travel as far as it can, and it'll travel right over to here. But it certainly won't be travelling round this corner. It can't travel round the corner. And so when you shade in day and night, you draw a line down through the middle of the earth, and you shade in, this side here is dark, and this side is light. So even though it looks to us like the sun moves across the sky during the day, it's actually us who are rotating into the sun's light at dawn and out of the sun's light at dusk. So that whole rotation takes 24 hours. The next part of the podcast